We have all heard the saying, no risk, no gain. But have you ever thought about just how much risk are you willing to take? Let's dive into a key concept in investing, risk appetite. Think of a risk appetite like choosing a ride at an amusement park. It's all about how much risk you're comfortable taking with your money, just like how much thrill you are willing to experience on a ride. Imagine you're at an amusement park, looking at 3 rides, each representing a different risk appetite. The conservative investor, you'd pick up the Ferris wheel. It's low, steady, and low risk. Like the Ferris wheel, you prefer investments that are safe and predictable, focusing more on protecting your capital than chasing big rewards. The moderate investor, you would choose a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs, but it's not too extreme. You're comfortable taking on some risk to benefit from growth potential of equity and relative stability of fixed income instruments. The aggressive investor, you're all in for the high-speed roller coaster with twists and turns. You are ready to take the higher risk for a potentially higher returns, even if it means volatility and a wild ride. So, whether you prefer the calm Ferris wheel or the thrilling roller coaster, your investment strategy should match your level of comfort. The right ride is the one that lets you enjoy the journey with the right balance of excitement and control. Stay tuned for more tips on matching your investment strategy to your goals. Until then, keep learning, stay healthy, stay invested.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.